Do you want to extract audio from a CapCut video? It's real easy to do. So go ahead to your CapCut, wherever it may be on your phone. I'm going to select a recent project. And as you see here, I have one video, but I also have two videos here. I'll just keep scrolling so I have two videos here. And what you want to do is extract the audio from one video, and maybe you want to put it on top of another video that you have in your project. So to extract the audio, it's real simple to do. So go ahead and select the video that you want to take the audio out. And you want to go to the options at the bottom of your screen here and just scroll all the way to the left. It's kind of at the back of the list here. And you want to select where it says extract audio. So as soon as you hit that, you'll see the audio be taken out. So what we can do from that point is go ahead and click the audio, and then you can hit delete, and then that audio is deleted. That way your first video does not have any audio to it, and then your second video will still have the audio that came with the video itself. And we can go ahead and do the same thing. So we can delete this video. We can go ahead and delete that one, and then select the video that still has audio to it and do the same thing. So we can go ahead and find the extract audio option here. And there you go. There's two ways to do it. It's real simple to do, and that's it.